Hey friends, this is Miss Johnson again. I need everyone to find this page in their packet. I give you a few seconds to find this page and something to write with. Okay, so first we're going to put our name on our paper. Okay. So for this worksheet, we're going to count the raindrops, write the number in the blanks, and then we're going to circle the cloud that has more raindrops. So let's do the first one together. So 1, 2. So we'll put 2 in the blank. Then we have 1, 2, 3. So which cloud has more raindrops? So you'll circle the cloud that has more raindrops. So you do that for the rest of the worksheet, and remember to circle the one that has more raindrops. Okay. Okay. Talk to you later, friends.